Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm Fili and today I'm going to create a Pride themed art toy. As usual, we're going to go through the entire process from modeling to printing and painting, so let's get started. I saw a bunch of Pride UFOs on Pinterest and I really liked the idea, so that's what I'm designing. I'm using Procreate to draw a sketch that I'm later going to use as a reference. This is going to be a bit different from my other art toys, since I'm not starting from the same base, I'm making a new model from scratch. As usual, I'm using Blender to model. After positioning the camera, I add a plane for the background. I then add some lights, which you can see in the bottom right viewport. Now I'm gonna add some materials. Now we can finally look at it in material preview and in rendered view. Of course, since we're using Cycles as a render engine, it takes a while to fully render. And here's how the final render turned out. As usual, I bring the model into Bambu Studio to add supports and slice it. This time I'm also changing the scale to make it a little bigger. And we can hit print. I had a few failed attempts because the filament was damaged, but after switching out the roll I didn't have any more problems. After removing the supports, this is how it turned out. I painted this one mostly off camera because, believe me, there really wasn't much to see. Nothing good at least. I have very shaky hands, and you can definitely see it in the final toy. But anyway, now that I'm done with painting, it's finally time for some beauty shots. I had so much fun creating this toy, and I just want to say, always remember to be yourself. Let me know if you enjoyed the video and if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you in the next one.